Hello, this is a mic test video for Maono AU-903 portable USB microphone. So right now I am speaking into this microphone in cardioid mode, and I have kept the gain of this microphone to mid-level, which was default. And I bought it for 3500. I am right now speaking at around 15 centimeter from this mic. So now I am turning this mic. Now I am speaking at 90 degree with the same distance, that is in close proximity with this mic. Now I am speaking from behind of this mic. Now I am speaking from 1 meter behind the mic. Now I have turned it back towards the direction of sound. Now I will just keep my direction fixed, but I will increase my distance from this mic. So this is 15 centimeter from the mic. This is 1 meter from the mic. This is 2 meters from the mic. And now I am back. So I have not used any post-processing for this. So you can see the quality of sound. And I am also running my fan, so it may be capturing some of the ambient noise. And for setup, I did not need to do anything extra. I just plugged it into Type-C cable and the other into my USB port of the laptop. And I also tried it on my smartphone. There also I just plugged it and it started working. So there is no problem in setup. And then you can see one green light glowing here on this microphone gain adjustment button. So this indicates that the microphone is on. You can just press on it, this knob, and it will turn red, and then microphone will be muted. So that's a very cool feature, because you may be requiring your audio to be muted a few times while recording. So that's very handy feature. And apart from that, this you can rotate it in multiple directions, and you can tighten it using these two ends. You can also disconnect this stand and connect it to a regular stand if you want to get some more convenience or adjust it to some different heights. And that's it. I did not face any difficulty whatsoever in setting up. I just opened it and it was ready to go.